Given the budget from Rishi Sunak last week, I thought it might be useful to spend a little bit of time looking at the initiative of super deduction. This in reality is capital allowances on steroids, but it is a tremendous advantage to not only us as sellers of high-cost capital equipment, but also to the users of that equipment, in allowing them to offset that against profits that they may have made in any given year. But as always with these financial incentives, as soon as the accountants get involved, the vernacular kicks in, and many of us engineers tend to sort of glaze over with these explanations. So I thought it might be useful to just put some simple numbers down to explain what the true advantages are of the super deduction initiative. So if we imagine a fictitious subcontract company that has an annual turnover of £5 million, and in this particular year made a profit of £500,000. Under normal circumstances, corporation tax would be levied at 19%, equating to a tax bill of £95,000. If we imagine in that same year the company decides it would like to invest in a 5-axis vertical machining centre, and I will use the Hermle C400 as an example simply because I'm familiar with the costs and therefore I can talk with some authority in terms of investment. So if we take the Hermle C400, decent specification, the normal investment cost for a machine like that would be around £310,000. Using the capital allowances on steroids initiative, this 130% uplift, effectively we can now offset £403,000, that's 310 times 1.3, we can offset £403,000 against the £500,000 profit, rendering a profit of simply £97,000, at which we would then get taxed at 19%. This would equate to a tax bill of around £18,000, just over. But in real terms, a cash saving to that company by virtue of this investment of £76,570. Now that's meaningful, that's real money. So it saves cash and it provides real incentive for companies to look at investing as the country works its way out of this dreadful pandemic.